love going out at night because I hear the fucking people outside. And I think I figured out my brakes, but I know I like riding at night. So, yeah, I like riding at night. I heard my front tire up to 16, back tire to 18. They were low, so. Yeah, it's supposed to like rain later, so like taking the ride before the rain hits. See what's happening downtown. There ain't a lot of wind, just, yeah, some. Yeah, there's some wind. Adjusting the wrong part on my brakes. I'm just trying to get back out doing exercise. So. I'm not getting like physical exercise, I'm getting like cardio exercise. I think I found out why my brakes are scraping, and I think I figured out a lot of things. Which is nice. Oh, this road's closed. Nice. I mean, the sidewalk's closed. God, everything's closed now. Yeah. Construction site. Authorized. Yep. Yeah. I think I would loosen my rear brake up too much. Hey, but that happens. Yeah, front brake can work. see what's going on. Then the light changes. Now it's starting to rain. So. Yeah. Oh, it's raining. This one's quick ride. Brakes are working. Now I'm out of the rain, so maybe I'll just run down by Lake George and then go home before the rain catches me. For a second there, it felt like snow. Yeah, other than that, it's pretty calm. I got to bed in the front brakes a little bit. Yeah. We do a lap around. It's fun. All right. She's gonna get caught out in the rain. Yeah, she boogies. I'm not gonna stay out long. I don't want to get wet. I just want to take a ride. Turn up the light. Rear brake still helps. I just got to tighten up a little bit. other than that, it's a beautiful night to go out and ride. Yeah. Knock her down just a pinch. Take her over at University and see how University's doing. See some Halloween decorations. That's not something to rate Trump on. Stop. Like, oh, I'm gonna knock her down to 4. University, yeah, not too busy. Bike's running good. Now I just got to tighten up everything just a little bit. Just a little. Everything's probably off by about 1/4 of an inch. Take her around and go in the back way. I'm going that way. I don't care if it's a one-way. Yep. Now things are working right. So. Yeah, just a quick ride. Driving pretty good. So. The dog